Alright, I'm having to use my little tiny projector because it has a better throw ratio, but it's kind of hard to see. Well, after wasting what feels like an Amazon rainforest worth of tape, it's all stenciled, so let's throw the table outside and start chopping. Fingers crossed I won't mess it up. Now we're gonna check to see if they line up properly. We'll use the line on these rubber mats and over there, so let's see if it squares off. Alright, so we can see it's a bit off at the bottom, and the top, you can see this one is skewed up a little bit, so we're touching there and we're almost touching here, so we're good on top, a little off at the bottom. And we can claim that from the distortion of the projector because everything was twisted a little bit. So I'm gonna line it up, trim that bottom a little bit, move this little up, and then we can cut the rest out. This is probably the hardest cut because we need to make it parallel, make it nice, and we can't do it with a circular saw because it's inside, so. I always get asked how many blades do I break, and do I break them all the time? The answer is no, not really, but often enough. On a project this big, usually like a blade will go, so. Imperfections in spray paint. We're gonna try to do the brush on red gloss, see if it's any good. Just say it didn't work at all, so now we're gonna strip all that paint.
One eternity later.
Definitely would have been faster just to cut a new piece, but I want to try this wire wheel on the drill, so it worked out pretty good. Took forever though. Ta-da-da! Look at that. That came out really cool. So this color is dark gunmetal, metallic, hammered too, so like it actually has some texture to it, some gloss. And it's very durable because it's gonna go on the garage doors. Really sick. Actually made it much easier to just cut out the bow tie from the back, unlike the last time where I was screwing it. Oh, I was painting it by hand. And then same thing, I pre-screwed these, and so now the spacing on all these is far better than I normally get because I pre-located the holes, because then it's just perfect. But I love it. Absolutely amazing. So great success. I'll see you guys next time.